Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 GMC Yukon SLT 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9643XX. 22,000 miles on this Yukon. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Onyx black in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Yukon's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 8, leather interior, DVD player with wireless headphones and remote, rear climate control, middle row outboard seats are also heated. Push of a button on the inside of the doorway, seats will fold flat for additional space. Fold again will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. This Yukon has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat with the push of a button. You can actually fold the second and third row from the rear. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift and apply 4-wheel drive with auto setting, moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and there's of course the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof. And liftgate control. Under the hood, this Yukon has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.